Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use the text feature to track your text in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video here and I'm just going to wait for it to load. Then you're just going to go to the text section and you're going to add in your default text right here. And you're just going to adjust the text to the end like that. I'm just going to type in beach. You can type in anything you want, of course. You can also change the font here, etc. Go to tracking. It's like motion tracking. This is a pro feature, and track the item that you want to track. Then I'm just going to turn off scale though, and I'm going to select the start button, and it's going to track the text to the object. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.